Hi everyone, I hope you are. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into CKB once again. Thank you for support. Okay, so this particular token is doing something very similar as seen on Solana and AVAX last year before it actually absolutely exploded and went on to new highs. Okay, what you're doing here, you come up, you're coiling up inside this horizontal, and this is a continuation pattern. Providing you can hold these lows, okay, providing you can hold these lows, and this is ascending level support right now. This is relatively bullish, okay, and you're looking to break out and at least retest that level of resistance once more in this beautiful continuation pattern where you're coiling up, okay, and you're looking to break at the apex relatively soon. So yeah, you've got some kind of impulsive break that's coming. You're holding support of this pattern. There's equally another horizontal here, okay. Look at this level of resistance that you created. So just here, when you come up for CKB, you got overextended, you came down, you made this low, and what happened? You come up in a level of resistance, support, start to coil up in this horizontal like this, okay, and then you broke out. When you broke out, you create this level of resistance just there, which is equally a lower high, but it's lower highs and lower lows create a horizontal, basically continuation pattern, and with that you've ran into resistance and you've come back to the crossroads of support and held it. Look at that, amazing. You never fell back below and you're not closing outside of this. Now if you do start to come down and close outside of this, that's quite negative for CKB, because you can see at this point you're losing structure and you're rolling, potentially sweeping them lows and sweeping them lows, and you're coming down, and you would have a technical target to come down to retrace them lows, but you're not doing it yet. So you're looking pretty tasty here, and I did see this pattern forming on AVAX and on Solana and Harmony One, and they all eventually broke out, back tested, and went on to new highs here. So this could be a beautiful little trade going forward. I do know that this particular coin is being listed to trade, perpetual trading and obviously spot trading on Bybit on the 15th of February, I believe, which is on Monday, I think it is. No, next Tuesday, sorry, I think that's right. Anyway, I will confirm it with you, obviously. But you can see right now, you've got the resistance to the 55, and you've got this ascending level of support. So this is some kind of little ascending triangle on the weekly time frame. You start to backtest and break and backtest, sorry, you're starting to retrace up to that high. So this offers an amazing opportunity just from this point here. From there to come up and retrace is around about 82% long opportunity, obviously with a stop loss on Bybit. Don't over leverage, don't be greedy, because if you start to roll, then you're invalidating this particular setup. So right now, if CKB starts to come up and it breaks this level of resistance and takes out this high, you're looking at the 1618 minimal target just there. Okay, so I'll drop a trend line in just there, press Alt H on your keyboard to drop a horizontal line. So that would be a technical target that I would expect you to be in once you break that high just there at 035682. okay, so it's doing the legwork. You're holding support, and right now you're creating this lovely little bullish structure to come back up, back test, break, and at least retrace to that level of resistance. Get ugly in there, coil up, and then eventually get your breakout and get to your 1618. It'll get nasty if you start to lose this support that you're creating for yourself. Okay, if you start to roll out of that, then it's nasty, and I would imagine you're coming up and down and potentially retesting these lows, and you can see that's beginning to look like some kind of double M top pattern. Lose that support, you're getting the bear market confirmation here. So it's sort of hanging on, isn't it? You've got that kilo resistance, you've got the kilo support, the crossroads like I've just shown you, and right now you start to coil up, breakout, boom, you're on it. Okay, so a beautiful little trade going forward from here to the 1618 is around about 313%. But with that, what you're doing, like I've taught you, you're not only breaking out of this high, you would equally be breaking out of this high. So basically, there's your top, there's your low, you retraced, and right now what you're doing is you're working your way back up to this high. So once you take out that high, you're equally going to be in a larger 1618 minimal target, and I think I've shown you this in a previous update. From here to there, that puts you in a 1618 target to around about 101297. Okay, so let me drop a horizontal line in again, Alt H on your keyboard. Now there is a little bit of confluence here. Look at the 1272. Now this white line is the break of this high. So you start to break out, run into that resistance. Oh shit, it's not going to go there, and then comes back to support, and then comes into the 1414 and does something like that, and gets to that 1618 eventually. And you can see you come up, coiled up, broke out, 1618 target met, and it can get overextended, obviously. This is a bull market, this is what things do, they start to go parabolic and people FOMO and everything like that. So that is my minimal target, but obviously it can start to go overextended and come up to any of these targets as well. But that for me would be my minimal target for you going forward, and this might be in a golden opportunity at the foot of the mountain for Bitcoin, okay, as it begins its retracement to new highs, basically. So yeah, that's basically CKB. Hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, and hopefully, you know, we can ride this together, and I'll give you a lovely little trade going forward. The link is in each and every single video description. This is all tradable on Bybit from the 15th, I think it is. I don't know anywhere else where you can leverage trade this particular breakout pattern, but again, I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, take care everyone, stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.